on, my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We really do appreciate it over here because we're family. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. If you're oldie but goodie, what's happening? What's up? What's up? So y'all didn't cut my hand slightly. I was trying to open up a package and got you girl right in the palm. But we're going to get through this video. So y'all, Torrids, they always catch me. Like, they be like, oh, you got Torrids cash and this and that, and we're having a sale. Y'all, I really don't be getting their clothes because to me it still be expensive, and plus I don't need any more clothes because your girl's trying to lose some pounds before I get my wardrobe together. So for right now, it's biker shorts and t-shirts and leggings for the whole summer and spring until your girl lose some weight. So usually I'm just looking at their shoes. You can't have too much, too many shoes and stuff like that. And y'all, they were having some cute shoes and they were under $40. So we got something right here. extra, read all about it. So let's get into it. As y'all can see, it's a small box, so it's not really that much stuff in here. I only ordered three pairs of tennis shoes. Not tennis shoes, 3 pairs of shoes. And I know one of them I'm taking back because I was actually supposed to get this purse. AliExpress played me. So I'm not getting the purse because it's, I don't know, didn't pass customs or something with the seller, one of the two. So I decided to say forget it instead of trying to find the purse again, which I know I could have found it again. I'm just like, it's just too many problems. So y'all, I decided to buy these. They're like, what is it, the Osaka Dukes? I think that's the company that has the braided shoes. And y'all, all my shoes are in a size 13 because I wear a size 11 and a half in men's. I thought these were so cute. This is in like a taupe color. And y'all, if y'all hear the fan in the background, I'm so sorry. I'm hot. It's hot. So I'm going to try to make my voice a little louder. I hope I'm not screaming because I know that, y'all, it's my ceiling fan. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it's hot. Your girl's burning up. I'm sorry. So here we go. I thought these were so cute. They're very flat. Your girl has no arch in her foot. I'm flat-footed and I have fat feet. So Torrid, they carry wide sizes. So this is in a wide. Yeah, it's 13, but it is 13 wide width. See right there, 13 wide width. And yes, I thought this was so cute. Has grip at the bottom. So that's those ones, and then the next ones, y'all, I had to purchase these. These were so throwback, and I'm just like, these are so cute. They're jelly shoes. So I had to get these. I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get these. And I want to say these 2 shoes were the cheapest. I want to say they were not even 30 bucks. I'll definitely try to link them below if they still have them because these were in the clearance section. Y'all, these are so cute, so festive. Y'all, I just thought these were cute. They do got like a rubbery smell, but whatever. They have these like beehive type soles at the bottom. These are cute. They are kind of hard at the bottom, so I don't know if these are going to be like walking shoes or just fashion shoes. So yeah, these don't look like they're going to be like walking shoes, but they're definitely just so fashion forward. I thought these were cute. Just look at that sparkle. It's a glitter for me, baby. So cute. And they're clear, y'all. They're see-through. So I thought those were so adorable. These are the ones I'm taking back because the purse I was getting was actually this lilac color. And y'all, these were going to be so cute. They were just like, they remind me of some Pro Kids. Just something you slide on your feet, nothing major. And yeah, I was thinking about keeping them, but I'm just like, why keep them if I'm not going to get the purse? Yeah, they're called the Lilac Stretch Knit Slip-On. And y'all, they were so cute. They got the rubber gum bottoms, size 13, wide width. And y'all, yeah, these gotta go back, unfortunately. And let me see. Y'all, that's my chair. Let me see. Okay, so the first shoes were $25.67. The jelly shoes were $23.07, and then the lilac stretch shoes were $38.67. Yep. And y'all, once again, these are from Torrid. I will try to link them down below. Hope you enjoy this mini, like it's very mini, it's very miniature. It's a miniature haul, but I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully you can find you some good finds on Torrid. Once again, it's just not for thick, you know, plus size individuals. Anyone can wear it, you know, even if you're just on there looking for accessories, jewelry, outerwear, intimate wear, you know, they sell cute little things, and shoes, but it's definitely a very, you know, very wholesome selection. So I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.